The advantages of having your carpets at WeClean is number one, the carpets are cleaned indoor, and we do full automation. One of the advantages you get is that we get to collect your carpets from your house and deliver back your carpets to your house. We are using state-of-the-art machines which are able to preserve your carpets. Most people will have delicate carpets. We are able to take care of those delicate carpets as need arises. Our turnaround time is about 45 minutes to 1 hour, meaning that it's possible to receive your carpets on the same day and delivered back to your house by our professional team. With us, the whole process takes about 10 minutes in the machines, and the carpet is dried up to 95%, meaning that if you drop your carpet with us, you're able to take back your carpet within 1 hour from us. If we deliver back your carpet, we could be able to deliver it the same day or the following day, depending on the amount of work. That saves you the hassle of having to watch your carpet piling up dust on the roadside. With the use of the machines, we have reduced the amount of water that is wasted during the cleaning. The carpet is first dusted, and that is vacuum dusted. So meaning that the washing process is short and we're able to preserve water usage.